Our very own Minister of Health, Minister Zweli Mkhize, and his son Dendani Mkhize have been referred to the National Prosecuting Authority, the NPA, to consider charging them for corruption over suspicious payments they received from Digital Vibes. So this is contained in court papers of the Special Investigating Unit, or the SIU, filed at the Special Tribunal yesterday, which was Thursday, where it is trying to recover 150 million that was allegedly unlawfully paid by the Department of Health to Digital Vibes, a company that is owned by Zweli Mkhize's close associate Tahera Mather. So according to the SIU, Mkhize received 6,720 rands from Digital Vibes, allegedly for maintenance at a Bryanston property, while his son Dendani Mkhize received 3.8 million rands. So these monies allegedly amount to undue gratification, as there is absolutely no evidence that they did any work for Digital Vibes. So Mkhize and his son are listed among 20 people to whom Digital Vibes paid 90 million rands of the 150 million rands the company received from their contract with the Department of Health, which the SIU contends was unlawful, invalid, and has set to be set aside. So they said there's no reasonable evidence why the listed individuals received payments from Digital Vibes, as they could not provide invoices and supporting documents, the investigations revealed. So in her founding affidavit, the lead investigator of SIU contends that evidence they have on the duo constitutes offences under several sections of the Prevention and Combating of Corruption Activities Act, and she wants the NPA to consider bringing charges. So this is what she said. She said the following funds directly or indirectly received by these parties from Digital Vibes constitute undue gratification or were transferred for purposes of money laundering or as the proceeds of unlawful activities and derived from the unlawful payments that the Digital Vibes received from the NDOH in terms of the impugned transactions, which were made without any proof of goods, work, or services rendered by such parties in exchange for such funds. Okay, so that is what she said. So Mkhize is alleged to have pursued or pressured rather senior officials to appoint Digital Vibes for the 150 million rands communication contract. So the SIU is tasked mainly with recovering ill-gotten money from unlawful contracts, but in instances such as these, where it is believed there is enough evidence for prosecution, it can refer such cases to the NPA under Section 41 or Section 4 rather, number 1D and 4.2. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, our Minister of Health, Minister or Dr. Zweli Mkhize, is being investigated for these fraudulent charges that pertain to money laundering charges from services or monies received from this company, which is called the so this money which is called the Digital Vibes. So basically, his son is being investigated as well because he received an amount of 1.3 million rands from Digital Vibes, and there's basically no evidence to suggest that they ever had any goods received or any work received or any services received from them. So basically, our minister and COVID fighter, Dr. Zweli Mkhize, and his son, who owns a farm, I believe, are being investigated. But tell me what you think in the comment section. So this is absolutely shocking, but I'm sure you know that in South Africa, where politicians and money is involved, nothing can be deemed as shocking, as this is actually standard procedure for our politicians. But tell me what you think in the comment section regarding these news. This is what has been trending today, and this is why this case is trending. It's because the SIU is specifically referring it to the NPA, or the National Prosecuting Authority. Leave a comment down below, like, share, and comment on this video. Also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next